Hey there, gamers and tech enthusiasts. Today we are diving into the world of cutting-edge graphics cards with the MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 4070. This powerhouse of a GPU features 12GB of GDDR6X video memory and a 192-bit memory interface, making it the perfect choice for high-resolution gaming and content creation. With its ADA Lovelace architecture and TORX Fan 4. Zero cooling system, the RTX 4070 Ventus 2X 12G GDRR6X delivers exceptional performance and superior thermal management, keeping your system running cool and quiet, even under heavy loads. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a content creator, or a professional in need of top-tier graphics performance, the MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 4070 is a game changer. So why wait? Upgrade your rig today and experience next-level graphics performance. Click the link in the description to get your hands on the MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 4070 now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching.